Hello, everyone. My name is Emily Morris, and I'm the founder and CEO of Emrgy, based in Atlanta, Georgia. Our company has deployed the first distributed hydropower array in the United States and are now scaling our solution globally in partnership with GE Renewable Energy. My team and I are building Emrgy to address the heart of the energy-water nexus in cities. With urbanization, the cost of pumping, treating, and moving water in cities continues to rise, in no small part due to increased electricity consumption. And this consumption is expected to more than double in the water sector by 2040. Compounding the issue are steadily declining water revenues in many areas, regulatory pressures for more water resources, and the choice of either unclean fossil fuel power or expensive intermittent renewable energy options for providing the needed electricity for water operations. As cities strive toward more sustainable development, they cannot be forced to choose between delivering clean water or using clean energy. Emrgy's solution transforms urban water infrastructure into sources of clean, renewable energy using distributed hydropower turbines that harness and deliver power where and when it's needed most. Best of all, our equipment can be installed directly into water infrastructure without construction, making it an extremely cost-effective and rapidly deployable solution for cities of all sizes. Generating clean energy through water can be just as modular and scalable as generating energy from the sun or the wind, with the promise of greater reliability based on the continuity of water flow around the clock. The reliability contributes directly to the bottom line, representing a long-term energy asset that returns the investment often between 4 and 7 years, with a useful life of over 30. We partner with cities and empower them to utilize their water infrastructure, such as this wastewater treatment plant in Atlanta, Georgia, for clean power generation that can offset their energy consumption and their plant operating cost. While to date we worked with cities to invest into and acquire Emrgy's power generation equipment as an on-site energy asset for the city, we will scale our solution through a market strategy that enables implementation of the equipment in municipal water infrastructure without a large capital outlay for equipment. With the award funding through Urban Water Challenge, our team will roll out a new deployment model that allows cities of all sizes to be able to utilize Emrgy's solution, not just the ones that have the ability to make capital equipment purchases. We will partner with an urban water infrastructure owner to deploy an Emrgy hydropower array and develop an energy as a service payment model that allows them to realize the benefits of the system without the upfront capital equipment investment. We believe capital requirements should not be a barrier to making the right decision for future water uses and energy sources of a city. An Urban Water Challenge provides the opportunity to prove that this model is not just the right thing to do, it's also something that can scale. This model is extraordinarily difficult to launch for a new company with limited resources, as it shifts the capital investment from the public sector to the private sector. Outside funding is critical to demonstrate the value of this model for cities, and we're grateful to work with Urban Water Challenge to deploy this exciting model. If we are successful, cities will be able to operate more cost-effectively by generating clean electricity using their existing water operations without an upfront investment into capital equipment. This enables more rapid, sustainable scalability and frees up capital to invest in other desperately needed public services. While Emrgy directly pursues and tracks metrics related to SDG 7, increasing renewable energy, we recognize and take responsibility in our role as energy developers to the achievement of SDG 6, universal access to clean water and sanitation, as this cannot be achieved without reliable electricity. Our team combines decades in renewable tech development, hardware commercialization, and market growth. Our 12-person team has presence in all 4 corners of the US, with global partners in Australia and across the world with GE. I hope you'll follow along with our deployment with Urban Water Challenge, and I hope you'll consider partnering with us to turn urban water infrastructure into sources of clean electricity. If you work with cities who may benefit from lower electricity costs or more affordable water, please reach out to me. We'd love to talk with them. I appreciate your time today, and I'm excited to work with Imagine H2O to bring Emrgy's solution to more cities globally. Thank you.